Both of my grandparents were farmers. I'm the first generation in my family who didn't actually grow up living on the farm, but we had a field behind our house, so I was always kind of around it. I spent a lot of time at my grandparents' house. The more that I'm around it, I see that there's a tremendous opportunity with the skill set that I have to really help people be more efficient. It just draws you back. It just draws you back to your roots. My name is Krista Schwarze, and I work at Pivot Bio on the sales effectiveness teams. As the senior sales curriculum manager, I work with our network of independent sales reps, but then also with our internal sales team to provide training and support materials to help them do their jobs more effectively. Every day is going to look a little bit different than the first one, so there's a lot of variety in what I do. I'm all about trying to help people to make things easier so that they can do more with the finite amount of time that they have. The most exciting part about Pivot Bio is that when you take a step back from the day-to-day, you can see that the landscape of agriculture is changing, the concerns and the priorities of the public as a whole are changing. Building that trust is really important. I knew that I could make quality material, but no one else took my word for it. So I had to demonstrate over and over the value of what I was providing in order to build a relationship. But there's always opportunity to improve on our product and make it so that it can produce more nitrogen. So there is a bright future. It's just really exciting because you're able to contribute, even in a small way, to something that could have big impacts later on.